let's start with chapter number 9, our environment. So, in this chapter, we will study about environment. So, let's study with the chapter now. Environment is the surrounding or condition in which an organism can survive. It includes all living and non living things. Air, water, forest, soil, and sunlight are all components of environment. All plants and animals, they depend upon environment for their existence, right? So, human activities have harmed the environment in many ways. The overuse of resources has polluted the environment, and what it did, it depleted our natural resources like forests, water, coal, oil, mineral. Many species of plants and animals have become extinct or have largely reduced in number. So, protecting natural resources, how we will protect our natural resource? All things that are freely available in our nature for our use. What we call it natural resources. We should neither overuse these resources nor waste them. Protecting and managing natural resources is called conservation. So, simple ways to conserve natural resources include reducing waste, preventing pollution, not cutting down the trees. Right? So, types of waste. We have two types of waste, biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste. So, biodegradable waste consists of leftover food or peels of vegetables, fruits, paper, plant, waste in form of all fallen leaves, crackles and twigs. Such waste is decomposed by bacteria and earthworm and it can safely be mixed with soil to make it fertile. Non-biodegradable waste consists of things that do not easily or mix with the soil. Plastic things, cans, they are used as aerated drinks, and silver foil, they are used by restaurant or in our kitchen or hotels to pack our food, and all are non-biodegradable. Then we have disposal of waste. We disposed of waste in towns and cities. So first is dumping. So in many city, waste is collected and carried in large truck. It is then dumped in an open area far away from the city, and such a practice can be dangerous for the environment and for the human being also. When animal consume this waste, it can harm their life and even they lead to the death of them. Burning in this method, waste is collected in one place and burned. This method converts waste material into heat, gas, steam and ash. And this practice is harmful as it causes air pollution. क्या cause करती है ये air pollution? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट लैंडफिल. हम क्या करते हैं, बहुत बड़ा गड्ढा कर देते हैं, उसमें सारा जो वेस्ट होता है उसको डाल देते हैं और फिर बंद कर देते हैं. इसको हम लैंडफिल कहते हैं. कंपोस्टिंग, दिस मेथड इन्वॉल्व फिलिंग अ पिट विद बायोडिग्रेडेबल वेस्ट, और हम पिट को सॉइल से कवर कर देते हैं और वो नेचुरल फर्टिलाइजर बन जाता है कुछ टाइम में. नाउ लेट्स स्टडी अबाउट 3 R's. रीयूज, रिड्यूस एंड रिसाइकिल. फर्स्ट इज रीयूज. जो भी आप वेस्ट आइटम, मतलब जो भी आइटम वेस्ट आप उसको रीयूज करें. We can use soft drinks cans to plant sapling. Reduce means to use fewer items so that we can create less waste, right? And then recycle. That means to process waste item to make new products from them. Old newspaper, they are used to make hand paper. उस समय क्या बनाते हैं? Hand paper बना, right? This is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.